Okay. Okay. All right. So. Hold on. What the fuck do you want? I fucking saw that one coming. Wow. Aight. Hold on. Nice. Accidentally left her on delivery for 17 hours. That's okay.
She shouldn't be too mad.
Alright, so anyway, the most beautiful thing just happened. And pretty much what the fuck? Really? Interesting. Okay. Well, what I was about to say. Why did that happen? Hold on. Okay. I've kept my code so consistent that Roblox's AI actually just created a whole fucking function for me. Or used one of my functions for me. And it did it perfectly. That's exactly how I was going to do it. So it's beautiful. But anyway, now I need to actually implement the function. So I believe this is the right version. Yes, it is. Okay, so I'm going to start off by making a rainbow button. So start with that. And then I'm also going to attempt to make a debug mode and indicators as well. So, yeah. Hold on. Okay. Okay, we're good. Alright. So debug mode, indicators, and a rainbow button. So you don't have to do it from the console, and I'll just leave it in the console. But let's get to working on this rainbow button. Should be fairly easy. So under the features, we already have a rainbow, variable. So now I just need to make the instance start instances right here. Legit options range. Color options. So right here, it'll be, I believe I'm going to put it right under menu light mode. So menu rainbow mode toggle and menu rainbow mode toggle title. Start with this one, equals instance dot new text button colors tab outline 2. I believe it didn't do the position right, actually, now that I think about it, but that's fine. I'll figure that out in a second. I would be really, really impressed if it did figure out the positioning. Text button, text label, parented to menu rainbow mode toggle. I believe that's how I do it, right? Yeah, I think I did the right thing. Wow, that's insane that I actually got it right. Holy fucking shit, dude. That's insane. I'm impressed already, but let's see if it got the positioning right. I highly doubt it because this is different than the position that I do for everything else. 0.4, 0.1. Holy shit, it got it right. No fucking way. Wow. Because usually I do 0.1 to 0.2, but this one it actually got it right. I think that should be set up perfect. Menu, light mode, toggle, mouse, or no, not light mode, rainbow. Menu, rainbow mode, toggle, mouse, God, mouse button 1, click, connect, function, and then we're gonna do, hold on, rainbow, start console. Okay, oh wait, it's under, actually it's under N menu functions. It's this right here. So rainbow, if rainbow then activate rainbow. So we toggle rainbow and then activate it. Okay. I probably could do the activation under the rainbow function, but I don't see a point to that. Let me also capitalize the R in rainbow. Rainbow. And then there we go, now it's all updated. And then I can take this and I can put it under rainbow mode. I can put it right here. And then the formatting is pretty easy to figure out. So I don't even think I need a list though. So I think I might already be done with the rainbow button. Holy shit, that was fast. I'm not used to being able to make features that fast. But, I mean, I already had all this stuff, like, laid out for me. Plus AI also helped with that. Okay, I don't know how I feel about that. I mean, it did it right, but I don't know. It's so far down. That's the issue I'm having. But everything seems to be right. Obviously, if I toggle light mode, then it's going to be messed up and it doesn't activate the thing yet, but I'll add those in after. The good thing is that it's working. Whoa. Yeah, so the more times you activate it, then it, okay, that's a bug I'm going to have to look at. I think there's probably a pretty easy way to fix that, but I'm not going to worry about it for now. For now, let me just change the positioning to 5. I don't actually think that's going to work, but we'll see. forgot to update the script. Let me look. Okay, so I don't do it anywhere else. That's way too close, so let's try 0.6. That I'm liking a lot more. That looks correct. That looks good. I like it. Now what I want to do is save this, and I'm going to make it change colors and be updated for light mode and everything. So here's my light mode function. Update colors. So color options right here. Why is this ended here? Oh wait, that's the end of the everything. Okay. Menu color. Interesting. Oh, I see why, because I'm not on the right thing. I need to scroll up more. And then do rainbow mode up here. So color options, if settings not light mode, if settings not rainbow, then if settings dot rainbow, then menu rainbow mode toggle dot background color 3 equals colors dot accent color. And then with the button, I'm gonna need to do some things as well. So light mode. Let me look at the toggle light mode function. Toggle light mode. How about rainbow function? Okay, so it's right here. Rainbow if settings not rainbow. I should actually do it down here so that I don't have to change it every time. There's no reason not to. If settings got rainbow, then rainbow or toggle dot background color 3 equals current primary color. Current accent. Accent color, that's what it should be. I think that's how I'm supposed to do it for buttons. Do I have to do 2 equals? I don't remember. Else. What the fuck? No, I don't. No, I don't. Why am I thinking that? Secondary color end. Let me do it like that. And then Okay, this should be working. I think. Hope. Oh, wait, hold on, there's an error somewhere. Oh, colors that accent color. That's why colors that accent color. Now it works. Yeah, okay, that was the entire issue. Oops. Colors dot accent color. There we go. Now it should be working just fine. And then my question is, okay, so it actually updates it even if you do it from the console. Okay. Nice, looks good. I should make this just always go. I think I know how I could do that too. If I just... I have an idea, a really good one too. So if I go to my colors here, accent color, rainbow color, so then I change colors dot rainbow color to that color, and then I don't do that. I could do a separate wrapped function. And I don't think I need that if statement. So then I do if, wait a minute, no, I actually don't. I can take this out of this function so that it doesn't do that. And then what I can do down here is say if rainbow mode, then change the button color first, update UI elements. I don't think I need to change the counter. And then update UI elements. And then colors dot. Then how the fuck did I do this before? if settings.rainbow, then colors accent color equals colors rainbow color, and then update UI elements, else okay, wait, let me copy all of this and then go way far back. That makes sense. That makes sense. So else colors dot accent color equals how do I make a color again? Color 3 dot from RGB. That's how I do it. And then menu color R dot text menu color B dot text and then menu color R B dot text, and then this one should be RGB, and then update UI elements and so wait, we actually don't need this at all. We can just put this right here. Okay, but now that also means that we need to add this to the console. So menu functions, and then this right here under rainbow, we do this first. So toggle the rainbow setting. If the rainbow setting, then change the button color. That's all we need to do, I think, because everything else should be handled by the other function. So let me see. Right off the bat, there's an error. It doesn't know what the rainbow function is. Rainbow. Wait, what happened to the function? What the fuck happened to the function? Did I get rid of the... Oh, I know why. Wait, okay. So if I go right here, how do I name a wrapped function? . 'Cause Would that work? Okay, that doesn't work. If I did it like that. I guess I would have to wrap them separately. I guess that's really like my only option. Wait, actually, since that's always constantly going off anyway, I don't even have to call the rainbow function. I don't even have to start the function to begin with. It just does it on its own because it's already doing it. Right? Right? No, I was wrong. But there's no error. Interesting. Why is it not working? I could also make a rainbow speed slider pretty easily, now that I think about it. But I'm not good at sliders, so I would have to do a different method. But that would be fine. It would still work. I don't get why it's not working. Why is it not working? Why is it not working? Well, wait, one, do. Oh, because it only does that once. I'm an idiot. That's why. Right there. Now it should be fixed. Wow, I'm so slow, dude. Fuck. Six, seven, eight. What do you mean there's an error on 678? 678. What? Attempt to index nil. So that means that the rainbow color is staying nil. Even though I'm changing it right here. Accent color equals rainbow color. Why doesn't that work? I'm just gonna go back all the way until before I did any of that. Okay, now it should be working fine. Well, not fine, because there's still that bug, but at least it'll work. Oh. What? Property background colored 3 colors. 3081. Oh, what? Oh, that's why. Okay. Same issues before. So wait, how did it end up working? What the fuck, dude? What? That shouldn't be possible then, because it threw an error. And the error made sense because I just Command Z'd too far. Okay, well, I no idea how that worked, but yeah. Yeah. Okay. Hold on. I spelled it right. No way. Okay, well, at least I got the button in. You know, at least there's that. I think that's probably good enough. Okay. Now under the Mist tab, I want to do indicators right here, I believe. And then yeah, so indicators right here. And then I was going to do debug mode on the other side, on the right side, under console. And I was going to make that one a button. So, start instances, legit. Under MISC, under here, we're going to do a new button. How do I name buttons? Okay, I see. Debug button equals instance.new text button parented to MISC tab outline 2. Alright, perfect. And then under number 1 here, we're going to do what's it called? Shit, what's it called? Indicators. Indicators button. Indicator toggle. And then indicator toggle title. Equals instance.new text label. Or no, this is meant to be the text label. Whoops. Instance.new text label. Parented to indicator toggle. Parented to MISC tab outline 1. And then this needs to get changed to a text button, not a label. Okay. I just realized I don't have stream chat at all for this, but yeah. Alright, back to what I was doing. Let me see. Debug button. So for the debug button, I need to go down to NMISC2, and then right down here. Wait, was I gonna? Oh yeah, right here. Create button. How do I do create button? Variable impossible string text. Okay. And missed 2, yeah. Create button, so variable is going to be debug button. the impulse y is going to be 0.2, I think. Yeah, 0.2, and then this is going to be text. We're going to call it debug mode. All right, and then under this comments, real quick. Hold on, rainbow. Okay, I did do that right. Debug mode. And then we say debug button dot mouse button 1. Click connect a function. End the function. And then I want it to, I'll just put a setting in called debug. That's what I'm going to do. Tables. And then rainbow. MISC options. FOV value. Chat spam. This would be a MISC option, right? Yeah. Debug mode equals false. Okay. And that'll make things easier for when I need to change stuff. So debug button, debug mode, and then right here we're just gonna say debug settings dot debug mode equals true. Stop. True. Dude, I hate this U key is awful. Debug button, mouse button, then click connect function, debug mode true, and then we say print debug mode. Or actually, let me do this. I'm gonna copy Skeet and do it like that. We're gonna say debug. Oh my god, debug mode enable. Okay. That should work correctly. So then if I go over here, yep, debug mode is the button, debug mode enabled. Nice. Okay. So now I'm going to go to whitelisted right here, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to like copy Skeet again, 9 lives, like that, whitelisted, and then same thing right here, 9 lives, like that. Oh, I don't know why I did it twice. And then let me look at any other prints. How many prints do we have? That's fine because that's just a fix for the studio version. Kick, print. That's printing to my console, and then so that's the only time I ever print. Okay, but now I can print whenever I want to use for debug mode. So I can say if debug mode, then print, and else just don't do anything. But yeah, that's pretty straightforward. I don't really need to add anything to that just yet. So let me see. Added debug mode. Okay, and then the other thing I was going to do is indicators, which indicators are probably going to take the longest out of everything that I have to do here. So indicator's going to take fucking forever. Oh my god, dude. Okay, let me start by just making the button, and then I can decide whether I want to do that right now or not. So it'd be under MISC options, under, okay, I already created the instances for it. So crosshair, toggle, dots. There we go. So right here, crosshair, and then at the end of this we say, I forgot, I could have just looked at the end of MISC one, but that's fine. Indicators. Am I spelling that right? Indicators? Am I spelling it right? I feel like there's another I I'm missing. No, there's not. Okay. Indicators. Create checkbox. Indicator toggle. 0.5. Be black. And then create checkbox title. Indicator toggle title. And then we're going to call them indicators. Okay. And then I guess I just do indicator toggle up. Can you not? Please. Indicators, indicator toggle, dot mouse button one click, connects a function, and the function, and then do right here. Actually, that'll be pretty easy. I don't even have to make a setting for it because I can just make the indicators and make the UI for them toggle on or off depending on how I want. So let me just make that as part of the UI. Do I really want to make another UI though? Because I already have like 4, I think. Let me see. Player UI. No, I only have 3. And I know one of them is watermark, one of them is crosshair. Crosshair GUI. I could call it element GUI. Or I could just do everything on one UI, to be honest. Let me see how many times I reference crosshair GUI. I only reference it 4 times, so I can kind of just change it if I want to. I can just get rid of it or call it a element GUI, and then crosshair GUI. Change that to element GUI. Crosshair GUI right here. Change that to element GUI. And then same thing here, element GUI. I don't know why I'm not just deleting the whole thing. Wait, no, that's fine. That's fine. That's okay. That's actually perfect. I do want ignored UI inset for that, but I do not want it for the watermark. So, because that bugs out my watermark for some reason. But let me see. That's why the watermark has to have its own GUI. Let me go to indicator. And let me do, I guess I'll do it under the menu. I don't know where else to do it, kind of. Crosshair, watermark, crosshair, indicator, indicator aim, indicator what else do I want to make an indicator for? I could make one for trigger, but I don't even have a trigger bot. AA indicator flip, and then an indicator. What? I already pasted that indicator. FL. Okay. So aim, anti-aim. Perfect. That should be good. I don't know. There's no real other features that I need. So yeah, just those four kind of instance. Oh god. Instance dot new text label. Parented to element GUI. And then that's going to be the same for all of these, so I just paste that a couple times. I could also make a frame for it. I feel like that could make things easier if I gave it a frame. I'm not sure though. Do I want to? Did I? No, I did not. Okay. Yeah, let me make a frame. Indicator. What the fuck? Indicator frame equals instance dot new frame parented to element GUI, and then just change all of these guys' parents to the frame. And then the first thing I need to do is go down to menu functions. No, I need menu properties, which is going to be way down here. Functions. Okay, menu properties. Create watermark, crosshair. So right here is where I'm going to do it. I should comment these more, honestly. Yeah, let me do a comment here that says main menu and then watermark. And then what the fuck am I doing? Crosshair. And then console. And then right here doing indicators. Okay. Now I can actually do the properties for the indicators. So to start, let me start with that frame. So indicator frame dot name equals gen string. What the fuck? Gen string. There. Indicator frame and dot anchor point equals vector center. Indicator frame size. We're gonna do big am I thinking? I'm thinking like udem to .new, and then we do 0.1 by 0.05 maybe, because that's left and right, and then 0.10. Let me just see, make sure everything's working and see how that looks. Oh, never mind, there's a fatal error. What is this? What did I do wrong? Oh, I forgot the equals. Okay, fixed. Go ahead and save that. Indicators. I haven't added that. I haven't added any of this new stuff to light mode either. I need to add the rainbow mode button, the debug mode button, and the other button all into light mode. But at least this works. Well, I can't even. Okay, whatever. That makes sense. What was I doing? Indicators. So there should be a frame somewhere on screen, right? I think. No error, right? Yeah, no error. Here. Oh, I see it. It's because I didn't give it a position, of course. But it is. Oh, because it's in vectors. Okay. Indicates indicator frame dot position equals udem to dot new 0.50 0.50. Now I can see how the indicator box will actually look. Yeah, I like that. So then let me do 0.55 so that it will be below your crosshair. Okay, I still need it much lower, so 0.6. Yeah, that should be fine. I should also make the crosshair scale like that as well, because that's the only other thing that draws on the screen like this. But yeah, that looks a lot better. But yeah, depending on your monitor size, the crosshair will be different, which I could fix, but I think it should be fine, honestly. I think that should be okay. I do like the indicator box so far though. So let me go ahead and do the actual indicators themselves now. Indicator frame dot visible. Well, I'll do that later because I need to debug for now. So next thing, indicator aim dot name equals gen string, and then indicator aim dot anchor points equals vector center, indicator aim dot size equals udem to dot new 1,0, 0.05. 0.1, 0, and then indicator aim dot position equals even to dot new 0 points. This is left and right, so 0.5, 0, 0.10. Okay. Paste this over and see how that looks. Perfect. That right there is perfect. Beautiful. I feel like they're going to be too spread out if I do them like that, though. Unless I do it, like, slightly different. But we'll see. Okay, let me take this and paste it 3 more times. And then what I'm going to do is change this to indicator AA is next, and then indicator flip, and then indicator FL. I don't need this one. Okay. So same thing here, 0.2, 0.3, and 0.4. See how that looks? I believe they're going to overlap at that distance, but that's okay. It's an easy fix. What? Did I change the size? I did change the size on all of them. 0.01, 0.01, 0.01. And then position, oh, that's the frame position. So I actually did need another one. Nice. What the fuck? What just happened? So I need to rename aim and then paste it over. Okay. And then 0.02, 3, and 4. Or not 0.0. This is fine. Now it should be normal. Perfect. And they are a little too close, so I'm going to do about 0.25, 0.4, and then 0.55. See how that looks. I hope those are right. Yeah, that should all be right. That's perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. And then I think I'm going to make them slightly bigger in size, 0.15 maybe. Wait, what? Hold on. So I guess it is 0.1 in size. And then the size of these up to 15. Make sure that's right. Okay, that's better. I like that more slightly. Nice. And I can still fit plenty of other indicators if I'd like to add them. But for now, I think we're good. So now I just need to change the frame to indicator frame dot background transparency equals 1, and visibility will come next, but indicator aim dot background transparency equals 1, indicator aim dot text color 3 equals white, indicator aim dot text equals aiming. Anything else? I think that should be it. I think that should be correct. Make sure that looks right. That does look correct. That looks beautiful. Perfect. And then just take all those, paste those over. And then just take AA. And then do that. Take flip. Same thing. And then take FL and do the same thing again. I don't know why I did it like that, but it's fine. Okay. And then now just change the text. So this one's going to be anti-aim. Anti-aim flipping. And fake lag. Try that. See how that looks. Okay. That's perfect. So now I got all the indicators, and now I just need to change the color of them when things go off. It looks like they're drawing over the crosshair, but I can't really tell. I don't know. Actually, I think the crosshair is drawing over them. The easy way to tell, I guess, would be to change the crosshair color. Yeah, because the text shouldn't be transparent, so it's kind of weird that it does that. All right. Yeah, that should be all I need to do, really. That was a lot easier than I thought it was. Because obviously I need to make him update everything still. But then just make the frame indicator frame dot visible equals false. So it can't be seen once you start it. And then, yeah. Now I just do indicator toggle dot mouse button one click connect function indicator frame dot visible equals not indicator frame dot visible, and then if indicator frame then or indicator frame dot visible then indicator toggle dot background color 3 equals accent color, and then else indicator toggle dot background color 3 equals current secondary color end. Perfect. That should be all. Beautiful. I don't know why it's not updating the color. Oh, expected color 3 got nil. Because I have to do colors, accent color. That's why. There we go. Look at that. That's beautiful. Wow. It'll still be pink, but that's okay, because I'm going to add everything to light mode once I'm done. Perfect, dude. Fucking perfect. That's sick. Alright. So now all I should have to do is go to anti-aim. Okay. Anti-aim toggle, mouse button one click, settings at anti-aim, not if settings at anti-aim, then indicator AA dot text color 3 equals colors dot accent color. Beautiful. Else indicator AA dot text color 3 equals current equals white. That's what we want to do. Alright. Beautiful. Okay, and then I need to do one for the flip as well. So if flip is enabled, then indicator flip. Aiming is going to be the harder one to do. That's going to be the hardest by far to pull off, but I'll figure it out. Indicator flip dot text color 3 equals colors dot accent color. No, that's not what I wanted. There we go. Else indicator flip dot text color 3 equals white. And then same thing with the fake lag. If fake lag, then indicator FL dot text color 3 equals colors dot accent color. Else indicator FL dot text color 3 equals current secondary color. Okay, that should work. Oh wait, no, not secondary color. It should be white, not secondary color. I was wrong. Let me make sure I did the right thing up here. Yeah, I did. Okay. Or I could do it as the tertiary color so it changes from light mode to not light mode. That'd be funny. Nice. Nice. I love. Okay. Alright, the only other one that I'm gonna have to do is aiming, and then I'm also gonna have to make an update when the accent color updates, because right now at least they will not update until I retoggle them individually. So if I like changed it again to like red, then I could do like fake lag. Where's fake lag? As red, so I can make them all different colors. That's funny, but not intentional. So I'm gonna go ahead and add those to the updater when I update the text, visual options, menu, indicator, aim, indicator, A, indicator, flip, and then indicator, FL. Okay. Dot text color 3 equals colors dot accent color. And then it should be the same for all of these. Or actually, no. I shouldn't put these here because then they won't update correctly. I should update them when I update every other accent color. And I need to do them all individually for each one. So starting with anti-aim. Take those two. If settings dot anti-aim flip. Then flip. And if fake lag, then fake lag. And then I take aim and I say legit options. If aiming settings.aimbot aiming, that's what the variable is. If settings.aimbot aiming, then perfect. That's beautiful. Glad I like processed that before I even had to deal with it. Wow. That's beautiful. And then now if I turn them all on and I change the color, they will all change with it. As well as if I'm holding aimbot, it'll also get changed. If you're holding aimbot while, okay, that's really hard to pull off anyway. But if you ever were able to pull it off, it would still update in time. I'm fixing the important bugs here. There we go. Indicators. And now the other thing, okay, so the hardest thing I'm going to have to do is make it work for when I'm aiming. But I don't think it should be horribly bad. Aimbot aiming equals true. So, oh wait, I'm doing this on the studio version for some reason. Let me go back over to the non-studio version. There we go. Okay, so aimbot aiming equals true. Okay, here we are. So, aimbot aiming equals true. Where do I disable it? I forget. And then indicator aim dot text color 3 equals colors dot accent color. Equals, oops, aimbot aiming equals false. Indicator dot, what was I gonna do? Indicator aim dot text color 3 equals white. So yeah, I don't see any reason why that shouldn't work, but we'll see. Update indicator. There we go, comments it. Looks all nice. Test with 4 players. Interesting. There we go. Oh, never mind. Okay, well, hopefully that'll work. I'm gonna have to stop the stream there. Gotta see me add a couple features, and yeah, that's all.